Hi guys, my name is Marina Hayner, and this is my assignment 5 revision and reflection over my assignment 4. I apologize that there's not like a video of me. For some reason my slide wouldn't change with the video, so I don't know if it's because I have 2 monitors plugged in right now. Just technical difficulties, I guess. Okay, so my unit overview. So just so you know what my unit was over and what the students did. So students created a digital calendar using Google Calendars, and this taught the students organization and administration skills. And this was for my business technology class, and I have 7 kids in that class, and 4 of them are seniors. So we are starting to wrap up the school year for the seniors, and so what a great way to start wrapping it up by teaching them how to stay organized in life after high school and even in their final days here in high school. So the task that they do, or that we did, so together in the Google Calendar, once we've launched it, and to go through the motions so they know how to do it, together they add teachers, like they add my birthday to their calendar, and so that they understand how to do it. So I would say like, okay, go to create, go to this date, and then type in my favorite teacher's birthday, like as a joke, or I would say type in Miss Hayner's birthday, or find if you know another teacher's birthday, type in their birthday. So as a class, so then we did the teacher's birthday together as a whole, and then as a class, they added each other's birthday, and so they went around to each other's computer, which incorporated movement, which I think is great in the classroom because students sit all day and we all need to get up and move sometimes. So I had them go around to each other's computers, put in their birthday, and then on their own, they had to add additional important dates and events, and then we did one-on-one conferencing throughout the 2 days. So the question, do the tasks yield appropriate evidence of the identified understandings? Yes. So tasks showed students understanding and grasping up the concept by completing the hands-on assignment. So after we did a few things in class together on day 2, right out the gate, we reviewed quickly, and then they got their assignment for the day. And so that after seeing what they could do on their own, that showed me that they understood and grasped the concepts that we were learning with a digital calendar. So tasks improve. This question, do the tasks involve a complex real-world application of the identified knowledge, skill, and understandings? So this I gave myself a sort of, kind of, so discussion about how this applies and used outside the classroom. Yes, so at the very beginning, we talked about how students were organized, what they do to stay organized, and so how they plan to stay organized outside of high school and with personal and professional lives all together. But then incorporating the task with a complex real-world application, not so much. And that's something I would like to even improve for myself, is making maybe making this a one-day thing and then giving them like a personal and professional assignment where they have to put all their dates, important dates and events on a calendar along with the professional ones. Okay, next question. Are a variety of appropriate assessments formats used to provide additional evidence of learning? So since complete their assignment, I did one-on-one conferencing with them. They showed me what they did, the color coding, the dates they added, why they added those dates, and then I had them add one more date just so I can see that, yes, they do know how to do this. So verbal communication and hearing the student feedback I thought was great formative assessment, because for me, I could hear where they're at, how they're doing. But as far as summative, I don't think I did very well with like making sure they knew the terms and making sure they grasped the overall concepts as far as like paper, pencil, here's a test. And then the last question, are students given the opportunity to self-assess and reflect upon the learning and performance? Yes, the one-on-one conferencing allowed me to hear individually what students learned in their performance on the assignment. So that really let me hear their perspective, and then I could give feedback to them as well. But they did get to self-assess with that one-on-one conferencing, and with it being a small class, I do have that advantage. So, but that's what I did. It was a great short lesson. The kids really tackled it, and they are surprised when they actually like the digital calendar. So thanks, guys.